Alright, hello everyone. This is my new rocket. It's flown twice before. You've seen it on the channel. The flights were not totally successful. This is the second prototype here, but an untimely demise. Alright, so this is version 3. And this one has a couple improvements, but first we're going to talk about the static design. So if I can... So this is the booster. We flew on 2 C motors for both failed flights, and we're going to do that on the next flight too. So this fin can and the booster are entirely 3D printed. The body is 18mm cardboard, and the nose cone is also 3D printed. We're reusing a lot of the parts from the previous failed flights. So in here, there's the streamer and Kevlar shock cord, and this hardware was used on version 1 and version 2. So that's kind of an overview. What caused the first 2 flights to fail was, I think that there's binding caused by the launch lugs not being placed in very good positions, allowing the rocket to bind up on the launch pad, on the launch rail. So this time we have one at the very bottom and one at the very top. So hopefully that way we'll be able to, it won't bind up because there's nothing to have friction against. So that's that. Just going to show you. This is version 2. It's pretty damaged. I think it got binded up with the launch rod, hence the large amount of damage. The booster on version 2, actually, what happened was, there's a fin, that's part of its fin. But what happened was, it pushed the booster motor out during staging, but the booster itself didn't separate. So, if I can do this, oh my god. So this was still connected, and the motor and this C motor was firing into the booster, and that caused the booster to melt, and then on impact, it totally destroyed it. So you can see all the fire damage and how warped the plastic is. So yeah. You can expect VO3 here to fly pretty soon. Hopefully that video will come out. Yeah, thanks for supporting the channel. If you want, you can subscribe. That'll really help. And yeah, thanks for watching.